In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix attachments that are not showing in Outlook. If you've ever faced this frustrating issue where your attachments mysteriously disappear in the old Microsoft Outlook desktop version, you've come to the right place. We'll go through a few simple steps to resolve this problem so that you can get back to seamlessly sharing files. Let's start by checking the attachment handling settings. First, open up your Outlook application. Once Outlook is up and running, navigate toward the top left corner of the window where you'll find the File tab. Click on it and a menu will unfold. From this menu, select Options. Here, you'll find a host of settings. The one we are interested in is the Trust Center. Once you select the Trust Center, you'll see an option for Trust Center settings. Open these settings and you'll be able to view attachment handling. This part is crucial. Make sure that the option labeled Turn Off Attachment Preview is unchecked. Leaving this box checked can prevent Outlook from displaying your attachments properly. It's also important to click on the Attachment and Document Previewers button while you're there to confirm that all the necessary previewers are enabled. If these are disabled, you might not be able to view specific attachments depending on their format. One handy tip: these changes ensure that you have the visibility you need for attachments without compromising document previews. If you've adjusted your attachment handling settings but still face the issue, the next step is to consider disabling some of your Outlook add-ins. For this, you'll want to stay in the Options menu that you accessed earlier. Make your way into the Add-ins section. Add-ins are small helper applications that can extend the functionality of Outlook, but occasionally they can conflict with core features such as attachment viewing. On the bottom of this page, you'll see a Manage box beside which you should find COM add-ins selected by default. Click on the Go button right next to it. A new window will appear listing all the current add-ins that are integrated with Outlook. Here, you will want to uncheck all the add-ins. We do this to see if any of these are causing conflicts with attachments. Don't worry, this can be easily undone if it turns out that the add-ins are not part of the problem. Once you've unchecked them all, hit the OK button to confirm your choices. Now, go ahead and restart Outlook. Rebooting the application is crucial because it refreshes the system and allows Outlook to operate without the influence of the add-ins. These steps should help you resolve the issue where attachments are not showing in Outlook. Remember, sometimes troubleshooting is about the process of elimination to uncover what's going wrong. Good luck, and I hope this guide helps you clear up the pesky problem of invisible attachments.